The level of CO2 in the atmosphere varies. Over the past 500,000 years, low levels of atmospheric CO2 have corresponded to glacial periods, and high levels to warm periods. Until the mid-1800s, the human contribution of CO2 to the atmosphere was very small and came from two practices: plowing the land and burning wood and dung for heat. But by the middle of the 1800s, humans changed the way they used resources. The Industrial Revolution began.
Our society, particularly in the Western world, changed dramatically. We moved from a society which was largely agrarian to a society which was more and more urban. The quality of life improved dramatically. Opportunities for people from all ranges of life were enhanced. But the one thing I think we forgot about in that whole equation was there is no free lunch. Quality of life is significantly improved. But it's all based on a cornerstone of tremendous use of natural energy resource.
Better energy sources were needed to fuel trains and automobiles, and provide energy to generate electricity and heat homes and businesses. We humans turned from energy-poor fuels like wood and animal droppings and came to depend on energy-rich fossil fuels.
Anytime you use a fossil fuel, and by fossil fuels we're talking about coal, oil, and natural gas, they contain something called carbon. And when you burn these fuels, you create carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a potent greenhouse gas in the atmosphere.
CO2 is part of the stack emissions of large stationary sources like power plants and factories. CO2 also comes out of the chimneys of homes and commercial buildings. And CO2 is present in the exhaust of our cars, trucks, boats, airplanes, and even lawnmowers and snowmobiles. Beyond these sources, land use practices like plowing, draining wetlands, and deforestation have contributed significant amounts of CO2 to the atmosphere.